Hello everybody, I wanted to share my thoughts on where we are headed from now until end of the year. You can see this is a very bullish pattern on SPY, and this is now almost very close to a new all-time high, and I do think we will go ahead and hit previous all-time high by end of this year. Okay, so that's what my estimation is. Now we are getting a pullback right now. So first of all, I wanted to get this clear. Whoever is saying we are heading for a stock market crash, that's not going to happen. This was the bottom, and this impulsive buying and in this impulsive pump suggest bear market is over, so you should be looking to buy the dip. Now we can get corrections in bear market which could last from 5 to 7%, and we could be in the middle of that. That's quite possible, but that could be a great buying opportunity. So from now there are two possible scenarios which I'm looking for. So I'm looking for, first scenario would be let me quickly get the right tool here. TradingView always complicates, keeps moving tools to different places. Let me find, where did it go? It's here. So first is, we already got, there is a support here. Also there's a gap where we are heading. This is SPY, S&P 500. We can come, this could be the bottom, or we can go a little bit lower on Monday, tomorrow, and then we are heading higher to previous highs. Okay, and then maybe equal double top, and then we go lower, and then we go higher. All right, so that's first scenario. This is my preferred scenario. So I'm looking for weakness in September, October. Okay, and if this is the bottom here, so let's quickly drop percentage wise from the top. What is the 5% from here? Is around 435. Sorry, 5% is around 436, and then let's say 7% is around 430, 428-ish. So let's say worst case 7%. Okay, so this is first possible path which I'm expecting. This is my preferred scenario. My second scenario is we go for this correction of 7% now from which already started, and then we head and go to a new all-time high. So you can see both scenarios, regardless of which scenario we take, long term we are going for new high by the end of this year. What does this mean? This means this pullback is a great buying opportunity for you. Even if you're holding SPY, you cannot day trade. You can put your investments in SPY or Dow Jones or IWM or triple Qs even, and you can hold it. You can hold it because you know by the end of the year, even right now, this pullback we got from the top here as of last closing Friday, almost 3%. That's a pretty good pullback. So even if you buy as soon as Monday, you can hold it. You can, even if you get a little bit more, 5% pullback, 3 is already there. We can even get 2% more pullback. Eventually you will be going and seeing a new all-time high. So there's nothing to worry. So do not, if you're shorting this market, first of all, I showed you on Friday's update on short-term time frame. This is not the time to short. Okay. First of all, let me quickly show you again. My standard deviations are telling me it's near second standard deviation. So this short-term time frame is telling me we're expecting a bounce very, very soon. You want to short here. If you go to Russell 500, US 500, you want to short here. You don't want to short here. Okay. So if you're shorting, be very quick, right? If you're shorting, it's like short quickly and then buy. Okay, do not hold. This is a bad position to short. You got to short near all-time highs. You don't want to short when we already have a 3% pullback. So be very careful. I just wanted to share my thoughts on SPY, and you can see all stocks which are down. Like Apple was down almost. Let's see. Apple was down almost 5%. Okay, this is a great buying opportunity. Sure, it can go a little bit lower. This is first path. It can even do this. It can bounce now from here, come back, and then go higher. But eventually, Apple is going to new highs. So this is an amazing stock to buy. Tesla, you can see it can bounce now, or it can go down, go to this trend line, and then bounce. Okay, so both ways. Tesla from the top, which we already got, it's already down 16%. Why wouldn't you want to buy Tesla now when you know we're going to have more than 16% profit by end of this year? So it's very easy. So be very careful. And also I want to talk about Bitcoin. I quickly released a short video today. You can see it's on a trend line, and right now it's right very close to the trend line, and I am expecting a pump. This is where you need to buy. This is in the buy box, okay, here. And I am expecting a pump anytime now for Bitcoin and Ethereum and all crypto. So you gotta, Ethereum is right on the trend line, okay? However, we can adjust slightly this trend line, but I'll leave it for now. This is the time to buy. When nobody wants to buy, this is the time to buy gold miners. Actually, gold miners is one of my best suggestions for you guys right now. You can see it broke trend line. This is a stop rate. Gold miners are getting ready for a massive pump, guys. It's gonna break this previous high. It can even go to new all-time highs because I'm very bullish on gold. And even on the close on Friday to previous highs, 23% upside just from previous highs, and then new all-time highs almost 38%. Imagine you buy something like GDXU, which is 3x leverage. By the way, I'm in that right now because I'm very highly risky trader. You can see previous highs 118% upside, and if it goes and break new high, 518% upside. This sounds pretty scary, but be very careful. You gotta be very careful when you're buying this. But you should only buy GDX. I will only suggest buying GDX. GDX is for highly skilled trader. But my point is, these are the stocks you need to buy. Buy Apple, buy GDXU. Like any dips you're getting, buy Shopify. Look, it's down. Like buy Intel. It's still a bit higher. You can wait for NVDA's earning. There could be a little bit more downside. Buy SOXL. This is 3x leverage, or you can buy SOXX. 3x. This is regular, no leverage. These are the stocks. This is all semiconductor ETF. Netflix had bad earnings, and again, it's ready. It's down since the top. It came down to 15%. Now, as of now, it's down to 11%. So it can still go down to hit this trend line, but eventually it's going higher. All these stocks are going higher, guys. So my point is, regardless of what you buy, if you want to buy a safe index, buy SPY, and you know your projections, your savings will be good. It can go as high as 480. So even from now, you buy to 480, almost 8% upside is there, right? So anyhow, I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys, and I just wanted to let you know by the end of this year we are going higher because charts are looking bullish. Whoever thinks it's crashing, be very careful. Charts are not telling me it's crashing. Charts are telling me we're in the middle of a correction. We can get 5% correction, maybe 7%, and that's about it, guys. So these are bullish chart. All these charts, SPY, Dow Jones, IWM, even Bitcoin is a very bullish chart. Bitcoin is a bullish chart. You can see high lows, high lows, high lows. So it's making higher highs and higher lows. It's a very bullish chart, right? Whoever can read chart, Hang Seng Index, Chinese index, this is also bullish. You can buy this. Look how down it is from previous highs. This is China. From high to the bottom, it's down 42%. Why wouldn't you want to invest in Hang Seng Index? You want to know the ETF? You can buy CQQQ. CQQQ. Look how down this is. This is no leverage. This is down 59-60%. MCHI. This is same thing as CQQQ. It's down almost 50%. Alibaba, Baidu. These are the stocks you should be looking to buy. Alright guys, hopefully this is helpful, and this was my prediction for end of this year, and I wish you all a great weekend, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.